Hidden deep within the lush, dense rainforests of Madagascar, a mysterious bird weaves silently through the twilight shadows. This elusive creature, the Madagascar Red Owl, is one of the island's most enigmatic and fascinating inhabitants. With its striking reddish-brown plumage, haunting calls, and secretive habits, the Madagascar Red Owl stands as a symbol of the island's exceptional biodiversity and the challenges faced by its unique wildlife. Endemic to Madagascar and rarely seen even by experienced ornithologists, the Madagascar Red Owl, or Taito sumagne, is a member of the barn owl family. Yet, it is distinct enough to be instantly recognizable to those fortunate enough to catch a glimpse. Measuring about 12 to 13 inches in length, this owl is roughly the size of a typical barn owl, but its appearance is unmistakably different. Its feathers shimmer in shades of rusty red and chestnut, blending seamlessly into the dappled forest light. Its dark eyes, set within a pale facial disc, peer out with an intensity that seems to pierce the gloom. For many years, the Madagascar Red Owl was considered one of the world's rarest birds. After its initial discovery in the late 19th century, it virtually disappeared from scientific records, leading some to fear it had gone extinct. Decades passed with no confirmed sightings, and the owl slipped into legend. Then, in the 1990s, hope was rekindled when researchers rediscovered the species in the wild. Even today, the Madagascar Red Owl remains shrouded in mystery, with much of its behavior and ecology still unknown. The owl's preference for secluded, undisturbed forests makes it particularly difficult to study. It is most often found in the humid eastern rainforests of Madagascar, where towering canopies and tangled undergrowth provide shelter and hunting grounds. Here, as night falls and the forest comes alive with the sounds of insects and frogs, the Madagascar Red Owl emerges to hunt. Its flight is silent, its movements precise. Unlike its more common cousin, the barn owl, the Madagascar Red Owl appears to favor a diet of small mammals, especially native rodents, which it locates with its acute sense of hearing. Occasionally, it may take invertebrates or small birds, but mammals seem to make up the bulk of its diet. The owl's hunting strategy is a marvel of adaptation. Perched quietly on a low branch or gliding effortlessly between trees, it listens intently for the faint rustle of prey in the leaf litter below. When it hears the telltale scurry of a rodent, it swoops down in a flash, talons extended, and captures its meal with remarkable precision. Its specialized facial disc helps funnel sound to its ears, allowing it to detect even the slightest movements in the darkness. Despite its prowess as a hunter, the Madagascar Red Owl faces significant threats. The island of Madagascar is renowned for its unique flora and fauna, much of which cannot be found anywhere else on Earth. Yet, this natural paradise is under constant assault. Deforestation, driven by slash-and-burn agriculture, logging, and the expansion of human settlements, has led to the loss of vast tracts of native forest. For a bird that relies on undisturbed habitat, such destruction is devastating. As the forests shrink, the owl's range becomes increasingly fragmented, isolating populations and making it even harder for these birds to survive. Conservationists are racing against time to learn more about the Madagascar Red Owl and to protect the habitats it needs. Recent surveys have provided hope, suggesting that the species may be more widespread than previously thought, albeit still rare and difficult to find. Camera traps, acoustic monitoring, and dedicated fieldwork are slowly revealing clues about the owl's distribution, nesting habits, and population size. These efforts are crucial, not only for the owl itself, but for the many other species that share its fragile rainforest home. Nesting behavior in the Madagascar red owl remains one of its most closely guarded secrets. Few nests have ever been found, and the details of its breeding biology are still emerging. What is known suggests that, like other owls, it may nest in tree hollows, on ledges, or within dense vegetation. The female typically lays a small clutch of eggs, which she incubates while the male brings food. The chicks, once hatched, remain hidden and vulnerable for several weeks before fledging. The challenges of raising young in an environment threatened by habitat loss and predation add another layer of difficulty to the owl's already precarious existence. Despite these challenges, the Madagascar red owl inspires awe and fascination in those who study it. Its very existence is a testament to the resilience of life on Madagascar, a reminder of the wonders that can persist even in the face of adversity. The owl's haunting, rasping call echoes through the night, a sound that few have heard but none can forget. In local Malagasy culture, owls are often associated with mystery and the supernatural, sometimes regarded with suspicion, but also respected as creatures of the night. The story of the Madagascar red owl is, in many ways, a microcosm of Madagascar itself, rich, unique, and under threat. Efforts to conserve the owl go hand in hand with broader initiatives to protect Madagascar's rainforests. These forests are not only home to the red owl, but also to lemurs, chameleons, and countless other species found nowhere else. Protecting these habitats requires collaboration between local communities, governments, scientists, and international organizations, all working together to find sustainable solutions. Education and awareness are key. By shining a light on the Madagascar red owl, conservationists hope to inspire a deeper appreciation for the island's wildlife and the importance of preserving its natural heritage. Ecotourism, when managed responsibly, can provide much-needed income for local communities while incentivizing the protection of forests. Research, too, plays a vital role, revealing the intricate connections between species and their environment and informing strategies to ensure their survival. As the world becomes ever more aware of the fragility of our planet's ecosystems, the Madagascar red owl serves as both a warning and a beacon of hope. Its survival depends on our willingness to act, to value what is rare and irreplaceable, and to recognize that the fate of even the most secretive creature is intertwined with our own. In the quiet depths of Madagascar's forests, as the red owl glides silently through the night, it reminds us that there is still much to discover and much worth protecting.